Video, I will be showing you how to use ChatGPT. In this video, I will be showing you how to use ChatGPT for the literature review. For that, the process is very simple and easy. So make sure that you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. Let's dive right into the video. So if you're new to the channel, make sure that you like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. So let's see how you can review the literature. For example, I'm on this website named as Wikipedia, and here you can see that there is a bunch of literature everywhere. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go on a full article on a specific topic. For example, here you guys can see that it's windswept Eden, and we're gonna read a review about it. So who's windswept Eden? So what we're gonna do is to copy the literature right over here. And by the way, we're gonna use some sort of extensions in this video. This extension includes ChatGPT Everywhere. Furthermore, there are Reader, GPT, Quillboard, and then the Workmind search and protection for the prompts. So what we're gonna do is gonna go for the type in and type the summaries. And in the summaries, we're gonna just select the summary and type in the content, and we're gonna ask the ChatGPT to write a review about this literature. Write a professional level review about the. So by doing that, the ChatGPT is now gonna write a complete summary and review about the literature that I just shared with the ChatGPT. I cannot directly share the link of the websites with the ChatGPT because ChatGPT cannot directly access the information in the website links, but what you guys can do is to actually copy the content of that particular website and drop it down in the ChatGPT, and that way ChatGPT will be able to summarize and review all the content that you have provided in it. So that's how you can do it. So this is, now you guys can see that the complete album review of the Ichigo Oba's Windswept Eden. So, in the world building through sound, evaluation of Oba styles, critical and commercial impact, thematic resonance, conclusions, each and everything is in this uh, review of the literature done by the ChatGPT. So that's how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful.